What's up, guys? We're going shooting again, man.
Yeah?
Look at how decked out Wes is with glasses.
Got my hat and my glasses on. So
You got Walter in the back?
Hi, Walter. Those are some cool sunglasses back there.
Right? They're pretty sweet.
They're pretty legit.
Oh, I love them.
Sponsor me.
I'm blind as a bat, so I don't wear glasses, you know?
So I have I feel like that's the opposite.
Here, bro, try these on.
Alright, let me try.
Pretty sweet.
I feel like I'm gonna look too sexy with these on.
Yeah, that's
Ooh.
not good. That's gonna be a problem.
We're looking good, you guys. So Wes has got a ton of guns. He's got like an arsenal. Zombies beware, because
Get out here, zombies! Get out here, zombies!
get out here, monkey. Get out here, monkey. What movie?
The rundown.
I hate this place. I hate penis eating minnows.
Ooh, we got it this time, ladies and gentlemen. Got it. A little bit like a little bit plateau. Anyway, we're headed to the range, which is like 3,000 miles away.
It's not that far.
It's pretty far.
I've never been here.
Nah, it's pretty far. Decatur.
The gato. What, you don't speak English?
You don't speak English? The gato. Walter, are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
You shot guns before?
A little bit.
Me too. I suck, but it's gonna be great.
You were pretty good with that revolver.
It's because I'm secretly a 1970s police officer.
No, that's what you don't understand. They weren't good with guns. They were told not to use their sights. Also, you're not getting me the shot at all.
Oh yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Not a
Buddy.
Not used to this vlog game.
Well, you better get better at it.
So yeah. Anyway, we are headed to this place. What's this place called?
Clark County Shooting Range. I don't know.
Clark County Shooting Range. It's an outdoor range in Nevada. In Clark
so
County.
I'm gonna be teaching these guys some skeet shooting. We're gonna be shooting some rifles and handguns and stuff. So yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah, we're gonna sweat. I'm gonna have the most amazing farmer's tan, which I'll show you guys after the day's over. No, I'm good, man. I want this farmer's tan. It makes me look more official with guns.
That's not how any of this works.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, but that is how skin cancer works.
It shows you how little you know.
It's probably good.
It shows you how little you know about shooting.
Just like start covering.
It shows you how little you know about shooting if you don't have a
like
farmer's tan. Ooh, gross, get it away! These guys have been torturing me with mayonnaise all morning!
I haven't done anything with
Giving me ultimatums, you guys. You guys said, would you rather eat an entire jar of mayonnaise or lay in a bed of spiders?
That was
A coffin of spiders, and I don't know which one to choose because I hate both.
I would have chosen spiders.
What?
I like spiders.
You
like
spiders?
Look, I will take spiders outside and let them go. I don't like spiders. They're not my favorite creature in the world or anything.
See, the big spiders are easy. Those are cool. The small spiders are the ones that freak me out. If a random one just shows up on me, it's gonna get smacked.
You guys are sick. You guys are sick.
Big spiders?
I avoid smacking the spiders as much as possible.
I will destroy any spider that comes in my home. If you're outside, I'm not going to go out of my way to kill you because I'm terrified of you. But if you enter my home and slash bubble, you better pray to your spider gods that I do not see you, because I will make it my mission. First, I never take a paper towel and I never go up and smash them because there's a risk that they're going to get away. So what I do is I go get Windex or Cinch or some spray and I spray the shh out of them. And so they cannot move and they're drowning in chemicals. Then I smash them with a shoe while they can't move and they're immobile.
You're just a jerk, man.
They came into my bubble. I warned them. I'm warning all spiders in the world right now. If you come in my home, I warned you. Can you guys stop talking about spiders? There's probably spiders out here on the ground. There's probably scorpions too.
There's scorpions, which is just like a stinging spider.
It's a creepier spider.
Scorpions are pretty cool.
They're cool looking.
They're
I
like
would say
they're land lobsters.
Land lobsters! Land lobsters! What's up, guys? So we are skeet shooting.
We are skeet shooting.
Play pigeons, not real pigeons.
This is my forte. This is what I did competitions in. Walter's here.
I have really intense glasses on, so I'm official and awesome.
Yeah.
That's a gun on his shoulder.
It is going. It's so pretty.
I'm so bad at this. That's so pretty. All right, so we're gonna get started here in like 2 seconds, I think. I don't know.
We're gonna get started. We're gonna shoot some skeet. I'm gonna show these guys the ropes a little bit. Hopefully I'm not too terrible. I haven't shot them.
Bull crap. I'm gonna miss every shot, and he's gonna be like, oh, 24 out of 25.
Let's get to it. I'll show you. He's going first, so I'll show you what it looks
Okay,
like.
let's do this. All right, Brent. All you, buddy.
Okay, high house.
All right. Pull. Miss.
Pull.
Way off.
It's okay. Just take your time.
Way
Pull.
off.
So what you're doing is you're pulling your head off the gun.
Okay. Pull.
Nice. Perfect shot.
Hey!
Perfect shot, Brent. Perfect shot.
I hit one.
Yeah. Good luck with that, Brent.
I hit it.
Yeah, you hit it.
Hey!
I hit it with like one pellet, I think.
Yeah, that was a little more than one. but
It still counts.
Whoa. Remember your doubles, he's shooting 2 sets of doubles. Your doubles, doubles. Wow. Your doubles you're taking low house first on this side of the field.
What the?
Really good. Wow.
I had to catch up to that one.
Yeah. Keep the gun where it goes, and then the call for it, okay?
Okay,
You got it?
Call for it.
I got it. Pull.
Hey!
Because you're double, you're gonna take that same shot and turn here and take your other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, here's your double.
All right, doubles, Brent. Doubles. I'm backing up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this nice safe corner over here.
Hey, all right.
Nice try. Hey.
I got the easiest one.
Okay, so you guys know I like shooting, that sort of stuff. Recently, California just had to make big magazines legally, so I bought this for fun, and I'm going to shoot all of it. It's 60 rounds.
Oh my god.
Bring myself to shoot all 60 rounds. I heard dollar signs being thrown out there. And my wallet started shriveling up. I made sure off. It looks really cool though.
It looked cool. People were smiling down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to look at the drum mag? Send it, Bren. Safety.
Am I allowed to hold it right here?
I mean, yeah. All right, safety on. Walters, turn.
Is it? That was 60 rounds?
It's literally smoking. It's so hot.
Wait, I didn't record.
Does it show up? It's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. So pretty.
My eyes. I need caffeine.
Alright guys, we are done at the shooting range and we are all tired. We just ate Raising Cane's
Fried chicken.
fried chicken. And now we're all very full and tired. And I haven't slept in 48 hours.
They should probably get on.
I need to go home, pet Charlie.
Charles. He's a good boy.
He's
Get ready for
Did you guys have fun?
milkshakes.
Yeah, I'm tired, man.
I'm
It was a
exhausted.
blast.
It was a lot
Literally.
of blasts. Yeah, it was a lot of blasts.
That AR was sick though.
That was a lot of rounds.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Down the toilet.
Not down the toilet.
Into the dirt then.
Into the dirt. Yeah. We
Keep it
buried. We
targeted.
buried a lot of money.
Anyway,
Thank
hope you guys like the vlog.
I hope you guys had fun watching. Just had fun hanging out.
And pew-pewing.
And pew-pewing some stuff.
Pew-pew. I did see a guy have a shirt that said pew-pew, pew-pew zone.
Pew-pew zone.
Pew-pew zone.
So we're all very low energy right now. It was
We're
a
all
lot of
dead.
time in the sunlight, and I'm definitely
want a
not used to it.
milkshake.
Milkshake. We just had a bunch of food. I'm so full.
Milkshake does.
What's wrong with
Right?
We're gonna get a milkshake tonight, Will.
Yeah.
you? Milkshake.
We're going to Black Tap. And if you haven't looked up, if you don't know what that is, look up Black Tap.
They have a giant
Restaurant.
cake milkshake.
They got burgers.
Pretty legit. Hashtag we getting fat tonight. Let's go.
You guys.
Let's go.
ahead.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Hey, thank you guys so much for watching our little shooting range vlog. Sorry there wasn't a lot of footage this time, guys. Some of the footage got corrupted, unfortunately, but it was still a lot of fun to do, so we decided to put it up. If you guys want to see more shooting range videos in the future, please leave a comment below. Thank you guys very much for watching. You guys are awesome, and we'll see you next time.